welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In this video I'm going to share with you this makeup look. You can see this green glittery eye makeup look, and this makeup look I have done especially for Raksha Bandhan. So if you are celebrating Raksha Bandhan, then in that case you can definitely wear this look and it will look very gorgeous, very beautiful. And if you want, you can also wear a nude lipstick. It will look very beautiful with this look, but as this is a festive look, so that's why I thought of wearing this bright red lipstick, and it looks so beautiful. And this is my favorite shade. Use this lipstick, this Stay Quirky Kiss and Tell liquid lipstick in the shade 4. This is a very beautiful red shade, you can see, and it looks so gorgeous and so beautiful. So if you're thinking of buying anything for party, wedding or any festive occasion, then you can definitely buy this lipstick. So if you are interested in watching such type of videos, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free, and please hit the notification bell next to it so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my videos. And also if you find this video helpful, then please give it a big thumbs up and share. So without wasting any time, let's get started and see how I achieved this makeup look. So before makeup, I'm doing a little bit of skincare. So first I'm taking this toner. This is Alps Goodness Licorice Toner, and this is a very good toner. I'm using that on my face. Now I'm taking this serum. This is by Alps Goodness. This is Alps Goodness Pomegranate Serum, and this is such a good serum. It instantly smoothens out face and gives a radiant glow. You'll be seeing a glow on my face right now, and it's a very good product. Now I'm taking Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer and applying on my face, on my T-zone, and I'm blending it well. So applying a primer is a must before applying any foundation. So as I'm going to apply liquid lipstick, that's why I'm taking this lip balm and applying on my lips to moisturize my lips. Now I'm taking this foundation by L'Oreal. This is L'Oreal True Match Foundation, and my shade is Golden Beige, and I have taken 3 pumps of this foundation and I'm applying on my face like this, you can see. And this foundation is a very good foundation. It provides medium to high coverage, and I just love the finish of this foundation. It looks so natural, so beautiful. Now I'm taking this concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand, and I'm applying on my around my eyes as I'm having dark circles. And I'll be applying on one side and I'll be blending it first because it dries out immediately. So immediately I had to blend it. So after this I'll be applying on my left eye and I'll be blending it well. So this concealer is a very good concealer for the price, and I highly recommend. So now I'm applying the concealer on the base of my nose and around my chin, and also on dark spots. Wherever I'm having dark spots, on that areas I'll be applying, and I'll be blending it well. And it blends so easily and beautifully, you can see. It's such a good concealer. Now I'm taking this loose powder. This is by Maybelline. This is Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 15, and this is such a beautiful powder. I just love to use this, and it sets makeup well and also highlights areas. So that's why I'm using this powder to highlight my under eyes, and I'm baking my under eyes. And now I'm taking this palette. This is by Swiss Beauty. This is Swiss Beauty Ultra Professional palette in the shade 01. I'm taking the contouring shade from this palette and contouring my hollows of my cheeks. Then I'll be contouring my jawline and my nose. So contouring is a must if you are having a chubby face like me. So if any one of you is having a chubby face, then definitely please contour your face. It will give such a good structure to face. And now I'm taking this blush. This is a coral sort of blush, and I love this blush so much, and it is a beautiful shade. You can see it looks so beautiful. And I'm applying on the apple of my cheeks. Now I'm applying a little bit on my chin and on my nose, tip of my nose as well. So I forgot to contour my nose, so now I'm contouring my nose using the same contour shade using an eyeshadow brush, you can see. Now I'm highlighting my face, and I'm using a Wet n Wild blush lighter, and this product I have reviewed recently, and this is my current favorite. I just love this highlighter and it's so beautiful. So I'm highlighting my brow bone using a small highlighting brush, you can see, and the bridge of my nose. And this shade is so gorgeous, so beautiful. you can see. So now I am blending everything well using a powder brush. It gives a natural look. So now I am removing the bake from my under eyes using a powder brush. Now I am setting my makeup using this makeup setting spray. This is by Wet n Wild, and this is the matte appeal variant, and setting my makeup well using this setting spray, you can see. Now I am taking this eyebrow drawing from Hila Eroda in the set 03, and I am using it. So first I am combing my eyebrows, and after that I am filling my eyebrows using this grayish black shade, and after that I will be combing my eyebrow using the spoolie to distribute the product in my eyebrow. And now I am taking this Beauty Killer eyeshadow palette from SFR, and taking that brown shade and applying on my crease as a transition shade, and blending it well with a blending brush, and also applying that same shade on my lower lash line, you can see. So now I am taking this green shade from this palette and applying on my eyelids, and it's such a beautiful pretty shade. So now I'll be taking a sponge tip applicator and applying the same shade because it was getting well picked with this applicator. That's why I'm taking this shade with this applicator and applying on my eyelids. You can see it is such a pretty shade. Now I'm taking this glitter from Hen Fang, and this is a silvery sort of glitter, and applying on the same green eyeshadow that I applied, and it gives such a festive and glamorous look, you can see. And I am blending it well using a flat shaded brush. Now I am blending everything well using this blending brush, you can see. So now I'm taking this kajal from Purple. This is Purple Eye Winking Kajal in the shade black, and I'm using it on my waterline. So the same glitter, and I'm applying on my lower lash line as well. It gives such a beautiful look and pretty look. That's why I thought of applying on the lower lash line, you can see. So now I'll be applying falsies, and this set I've taken from Amazon, and it is very affordable, and you can see it looks so beautiful. So now I'm taking this colossal eyeliner from Maybelline and drawing a winged eyeliner, and this is my current favorite eyeliner. It is jet black, and it is smudge proof, it is waterproof. So now I'm taking this Essence mascara and applying on my upper lashes and lower lashes. And this is also a very good mascara for the price. It is very affordable and it is very good. So now I'll be applying lipstick. So you can go for a nude shade or a red shade like this. So the nude shade that I'm showing is Stay Quirky Kiss and Tell liquid lipstick in the shade 15. It is a very beautiful brownish nudish shade, and this is also a very beautiful red shade. This is in the shade 4. GF Coals. So now I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eyes, and this is my final completed look. I hope you like this video, guys. Love you all. Bye and take care.